Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review this new product from Boult. It's Probass Curve. So it is true wireless earphone from Boult. So let's go with the review. So let's start. So seal is there. Okay. So I'm going to open this seal. Okay. Inside packing there is one pouch. Inside pouch I think this is registration for warranty written over there, 1 year. And okay, so cable is there, charging cable. These are the extra earbuds. Okay, this is plastic cover, so it can hold this neck band. So stuff. Okay, going to open. Okay, so it is lightweight as per the description. There is a power on button over there, plus minus volume key. On this side there is a Boult branding. I think this is some code mention. This is a series. So this band is actually a sweatproof band, and it having around 10 to 12 hour battery backup. It takes around 1.5 hours to charge and 2-day standby battery backup. So overall the quality of this band is good. This is soft touch plastic, not hard. So this is magnetic, so it directly stick. So here is the adjustment rings, so you can adjust this earphone. Okay. So here's the charging port, micro USB. Okay, so for turn it on you need to press this button. So here light is blinking. To turn off this headphone you need to press once again. So it is off now. So let's check the fitting. so it fits to your neck. It perfectly set inside your ear. So fitting is a perfect. So it fits to your ear perfectly. You guys can use this while running as well, while exercise. The quality of this earbud is good. This is plastic material. This is flexible. Lightweight. So it's having HDD bus. So 1 year warranty, inbuilt mic, extra bass, inbuilt micro woofer. So finally is the result for sound quality. The sound quality of this headphone is really crystal clear, deep bass and HD surrounding sound. So I am giving 10 out of 10 for sound quality. It's really good, clear. The sharpness of the sound is awesome. So you guys can, I'm suggesting you guys can buy this product.